Everyone, myself Krish, I would be explaining to you our project PlaceTest. So this is a project which we created basically to help the placement and internship cell and to the students so that they can sail through their placement journey pretty smoothly. So let us first log in as an admin. Admin is none other than the PIC member. So let our name be Harik, address be harik23 at the rate gmail.com. Our enrollment number be 2989. Let the password also be same. And the pass key is basically the PIC key which every PIC member will have, and it would be checked from the database. So we have signed in successfully. Now let us log in. Okay. So we have signed in. So now this is the basic data. This is the dashboard of any PIC member where he can add notes, edit, and do all these things. The main thing of our project is basically the mail segregation, the sentiment analysis, and many more. So basically, when a person mails to a HR, like a PIC member would have mailed to an HR, then the HR can have several types of responses. Like he can have a one-star based response, or he can have a five-star based response, which basically means the level of interest. Like he's very interested in coming to IIT Roorkee for recruitments, or he's not interested at all. So these are some of the testing mails which we have sent. So these ones we received. So tone is positive, relevance is yes. So basically, when a person is interested to come to IIT Roorkee for placement and the reply senses a tone of positiveness, then it will say tone to be positive. What we basically did is that we used Llama 3.370B for mail generation and sentiment analysis, and for the summary generation as well for the received mails. Like we have sent some mails by the help of the compose mail feature over here, which uses a generate mail feature. Uh, then the HR would be replying to it, and from the received mails, we would be doing the sentiment analysis of it, and then we would be summarizing the mail as well. Like for this mail, say this one. So this was our mail which we had sent to the HR, and this is the summary of the mail, and this is the sentiment analysis whether the person is interested or not. Okay. So now moving on. Now we have also provided the facility of compose and send. So like basically if I'm sending some mail, so all those will be showing here. Now the main facility is of compose. So let me do it here. Yeah. So you can compose a mail like my name is Krish. HR's name is say Harik only. Okay. This is Krish Agarwal 07 at the rate gmail.com. Okay. Now the keyword, let the keywords be friendly and kind or formal, okay. And the company's name be Google, okay. So now, as per my instructions, this would be generating the mail for me. Basically, we have used the Grok API for this one, and it would take some time to generate the mail. Just a second. Okay, so here is the mail which is generated. Okay, fine. So now we can send this mail as well. So this mail would be sent to the Krish Agarwal 07 email ID. So this is my personal email ID. I don't have it in this laptop. But okay, so mail sent successfully. This mail would go to my email ID and then the person can reply. Okay. Now, among the replied emails, the ones having a positive response or the most interested ones would be showing 5 star. The least interested ones would be showing 1 star. And the middle guys would be showing like 4 stars or 3 stars and all. And this would basically show the level of interest, positive, neutral, or negative. Now, we have also implemented a feature of chatbot, and this is one of the most important features in which we have applied RAG using the LangChain. And for this one, we have used the Cohere API. So now let me ask something from the chatbot. Basically, this for the students who want to know whether some company has come or it has not come, or like what's the response, what is the CTC a company is asking. Like if I ask, has Google come this year? Like, is Google coming? Okay, as Google come this time. So it would go through all the received mails, and it will basically, this is working on the received mails, which is analyzing their summary and having extracting its data into the database and responding to us from that one. So here, yes, Google is coming. So now in the database, the Flipkart one, the test or the received mail for Flipkart has not yet come. So if I ask, is Flipkart there? So the company mentioned has not come. Okay. So this is the facility which we have provided. So this is very useful when a person wants to know that which company is coming, what is the CTC, what is the CGPA criteria, etc. So all this is done. Now let me show you something for the this one. Just a second. Yes. Mm, for the student, let me show you this. Okay, so for the student, it is here. My name is, say my name is Abhishek. Okay, my email is abhishek@gmail.com. The enrollment number is 7878 and password is also 7878. Let me sign up. Signed up. Enrollment number. Like we have implemented this as the unique primary key and composite key kind of thing. So like, okay, this is the dashboard for the user where here are the company preferences. And if he fills up the preference, so it is opened all here. Like if you are there, if you are shortlisted or you are getting all that like coding tests, the shortlist for all that. So all that would be shown here. And the main purpose for this was to help the PIC members. The student part is just an additional thing. And yes, again, for the student only, we added this chatbot stuff. So, hey, chatbot, like I just showed the thing. Okay. So, this was our project. I hope you liked it. And thank you.